Welcome to the best picks. The best Lash Princess is probably one of the most talked about mascaras in the beauty community, and for good reason. Its unique wand and volumizing formula promise to deliver dramatic lashes without breaking the bank. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the Lash Princess, testing its claims, and giving you our honest review, so you can decide if this budget-friendly beauty buy is worth adding to your makeup bag. Number 5. Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. Introducing the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. This mascara helps you create the lash style you love. It can range from dramatic volume to an extremely defined look. This mascara sculpts and curls lashes without weighing them down. It won't flake, fade, or wear off, making it perfect for all-day wear. Start at the base of your lash line and wiggle the wand back and forth. Add as many coats as you like until you achieve your desired length and volume. Remember to wipe off any excess product to avoid clumping. This mascara is vegan and cruelty-free. It's also free from parabens, fragrance, preservatives, and microplastic particles. It's made in Italy. If you receive it unwrapped, it did not come from Essence Cosmetics. Essence Cosmetics is certified and acknowledged by PETA as a cruelty-free brand. They do not test any of their products on animals. What we like? This mascara offers sculpted volume, allowing you to create your desired lash style, from natural to dramatic. It lasts all day without flaking or fading. If you're looking for a mascara that provides both volume and long-lasting wear, this is the one for you. What people say. It gives me longer-looking lashes and no irritation. It gives me longer-looking lashes and no irritation. It really thickens and lengthens her lashes and stays on all day. Number 4. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. This mascara is the secret to achieving that classic French beauty look. It provides defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat. Build it up for even thicker, fanned lashes. This mascara is designed to give you a soft, natural look without clumping. The smudge-proof and long-lasting formula ensures it won't flake or transfer. Get ready for length, thickness, and volume that lasts all day. The petite wand makes it easy to coat every lash. It's also easy to remove with makeup remover, without damaging your lashes. We are proud to say that our products are never tested on animals. You can enjoy beautiful lashes with a clear conscience. We stand behind our products with a hassle-free return policy. If you're not completely satisfied, you can get your money back. What we like? This mascara gives you defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat, and it's lightweight, so it feels natural. The smudge-proof formula ensures it stays put all day. If you like a classic mascara that offers both volume and definition without clumping, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is amazing. Gives great length and volume. The formula is great. Number 3. Live Fresh Castor Oil Lash Serum. This organic castor oil serum helps you achieve longer eyelashes and thicker eyebrows. It's a prostaglandin-free solution for enhancing your natural beauty. Notice a visible improvement in the length, thickness, and overall health of your lashes and brows. If you have overplucked brows or gaps in your lashes, this product can help you grow them back. The specially designed tube makes application convenient, quick, and easy. It's perfect for first-time users, eliminating the mess of traditional oil droppers. The dual-ended wand ensures precise and clean application. This hexane-free, cold-pressed castor oil is imported from India. The cold-pressed extraction process preserves key minerals and vitamins. It's safe for all skin types and provides gentle care for your hair and skin. This all-natural eyelash and eyebrow serum comes in adorable packaging. It's a gift that keeps on giving, with one tube lasting for months with daily use. It's the perfect present for anyone wanting to enhance their natural beauty. What we like? This serum helps you grow longer eyelashes and thicker eyebrows with its organic castor oil formula. The design is easy and mess-free, perfect for first-time users. If you're looking to enhance your natural lashes and brows with an all-natural product, this is a great choice. What people say. It is organic castor oil and has one side with a brush wand for your brows and one side with a line brush wand for your eyelashes. It has been so effective, and I can tell that my lashes have not only gotten longer, are thicker as well. This oil helps your lashes lengthen and healthier. Number 2. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Introducing the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara from Essence. This mascara is designed to give you bold, defined lashes. It's perfect for achieving a dramatic look. This mascara defines and separates lashes. The conic-shaped fiber brush delivers dramatic volume and sculpted length. You'll love the results. With this mascara, you don't need false lashes. It provides a bold look without clumps or globs. It's easy to apply and long-lasting. Essence is a cruelty-free brand certified by PETA. This mascara is free from parabens, gluten, silicones, oil, fragrance, alcohol, and microplastic particles. It's made in Luxembourg. If you receive this mascara unwrapped, it did not come from Essence Cosmetics. Make sure you get the real deal for the best results. What we like. This mascara defines and separates lashes while achieving a bold look. The conic-shaped fiber brush delivers dramatic volume and sculpted length without clumps. If you want a mascara that gives you a false lash effect without the falsies, you should try it. What people say. The wand is a great shape and the mascara goes on smoothly. It gives great length and volume. The mascara is buildable and doesn't clump. Number 1. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, 3-pack. Tired of constantly buying mascara? This convenient 3-pack allows you to stock up on your favorite mascara with just one click. It helps reduce packaging and minimizes the environmental impact. Discover the magic of Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This popular mascara gives you dramatic volume and sculpted length. You can finally say goodbye to false lashes. The special conic-shaped fiber brush gives your lashes length and volume, creating a false lash effect. Apply one coat for defined volume, or add more for a bolder look. Remember to wipe off excess product to avoid clumping. This mascara is cruelty-free and free from alcohol, oil, parabens, fragrance, and microplastic particles. It's made in Luxembourg. If you receive it unwrapped, it's not from Essence Cosmetics. Essence Cosmetics is a cruelty-free brand certified by PETA. The company does not test any of its products on animals. What we like. This mascara delivers dramatic volume and sculpted length, giving you a false lash effect. The convenient 3-pack is great for stocking up. If you're a fan of this mascara and want to save on packaging, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The brush is amazing. Gives great length and volume. It does not smudge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.